Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to start a voice call on Telegram on your PC using the new update. So let's get started. The first step is to open your Telegram account on your PC. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Next, you'll need to find the account of the person you want to call. You can do this by searching for their name in the search bar or by scrolling through your contacts list. Once you've found the account you want to call, open up the conversation with that person. This can be done by simply clicking on their name or profile picture. Now it's time to initiate the voice call. Look for the phone icon located at the top of the chat window. Click on it to start the call. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully voice call on Telegram using your PC. Remember, you can also make video calls using the same steps. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.